Oromia is a fertile and rich country. It is commonly known as the food basket and the economic backbone of the Ethiopian Empire. The Oromo people, a proud, hardworking, and self-reliant people who have been feeding other people beyond themselves, are today exposed to a drought and civil war-induced famine, displacement, and severe misery.
Moreover, for the past 4 years, the war waged by the federal government against Oromia has not been adequately reported. In this hidden war, the federal government is committing atrocities, such as burning people's homes, burning farms, and burning crops. It is killing civilians it suspects of being sympathetic to the Oromo Liberation Army and is displacing large numbers of people. Many farmers have fled to the cities, leaving their farmlands idle, thereby compounding the food shortage. Both hidden famine and the hidden war are underreported because the free flow of information has been blocked by the regional and federal governments. Humanitarian support has been restricted in insecure areas. Independent media and journalists are prevented from visiting and reporting from affected areas.